right there. That's tall. Like right there, like right above there.
Where did that tree? Where was the tree before?
It was up there. It was up there. This isn't a tree. This
That's
is a
not your
platform.
tree.
That's a platform. No, that's a branch. Oh no, this platform in it. That branch right there just fell from all the rain.
Wow. Hey guys.
Yeah, we had a tornado here, that's for sure. Okay.
Tell me what you saw and heard. Hold on one second. Let me turn this light down a little bit. I don't want to blind you.
We just was inside and I heard
Hold
a
on
big
one second.
surge of wind.
Hold on, flash. Is that?
Anyway, the whole group. Let's just make this short.
Yeah. Okay. First of all, let's start off with your test 1, 2. Let's start with your name and spelling.
Okay, babe, go ahead.
Marta Lopez Gray.
Oh, who's gonna speak?
Oh.
Let me do a separate. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Go ahead.
Hi, Richard L. Gray Jr. And today we experienced, it looks like an upsurge of wind, maybe a light tornado, I don't know. But did a lot of collateral damage in the neighborhood here in 441 Southwest 82nd Avenue and our neighbor 440, Mr. Barimo as well. So we're very thankful for Chief Jadala for dispatching the Miami-Dade Fire Rescue to come, and FPNL is here, so we're trying to do the cleanup.
Outstanding. Okay, let me have your name and spelling.
Marta C. Lopez.
Marty, move over here so I get the fire truck behind you. You're good, right there. Okay, Marta, spelling, name and spelling.
Marta C. Lopez Gray, MartaClopez Gray, Gray, like the color.
Okay, look at my left eye if you can. Marta, what did you see and hear?
So we heard like a really bad boom in the house, and then it just it felt like a huge thundering and light and trembling, and then it got very silent, and we looked outside and just saw the incredible damage that this did. Our neighbor's entire front part of his house, the carport, everything is gone. It pretty much knocked out all the lights in the neighborhood. There's no power, no electricity anywhere. We've got a lot of damage in the back as
Marta,
well.
hold on one sec. Look at my eye. Don't look straight at the lens.
Oh, which?
Yeah.
Oh, your eye.
Yeah, my eye. I'm sorry. Okay, let's do that again.
Oh my
Tell me
God.
what you saw and heard, real quick.
Okay, so it was a really large bang. It was a lot of vibration around the house. It felt almost as, I know there was a tornado. It was a wish, and then it was a big bang. Then it got very silent, and we went outside and noticed that our neighbor's front porch was completely gone. And his house in the front of it is all devastated. Our backyard, we lost our fence, we lost a bunch of trees, the front and back, and it was pretty devastating.
Have you ever experienced anything like that?
No, this is the first time. I never expected in Miami-Dade County, Florida, or even in Florida in general, South Florida, this type of situation would happen. You hear about tornadoes and, in Kansas City and things like that, but never in Miami, Florida. You have hurricanes, and we just weren't expecting this to be happening today. The weather wasn't supposed to be this bad today. It was supposed to start tomorrow, so.
So you were kind of surprised.
Very surprised. Very surprised.
Any injuries? Are they okay?
Well, that's something to be thankful for. No one was hurt that we know of.
Yeah.
So that was, we're thankful for that.
And what is your address here?
441 Southwest 82nd Avenue and 440 Southwest 82nd Avenue. You'll want to take a look at that as well.
Outstanding. Thank you guys. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
apparently there was a concentration of energy from the tornado that blew this concrete to smithereens, and a chunk of this concrete we pulled out of the living room and went through that window. So that's an example of concentration of energy there from that tornado. So,
Were you here when it happened?
no, my father was here. I got here just after it happened. Halfway over the driveway.
Show
There's
me.
the columns right there on the ground. And those are the part of the covers that somehow ended up over there and wrapped around that tree. And were scattered through the neighborhood.